Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So we have here, this is hourly time frame, and we have a rejection this morning of the key resistance cluster at 1.0655 or 660 mark. We can see here the strong cluster resistance and market rejected aggressively. So I suppose there is a potential and good odds for the market to trade lower towards the support around 1.0600 area or even 1.0580 mark. So watch for that potential downside rotation towards this very well-defined support clusters. If we speak about the gold market, very similar situation. Markets is trading in defined trading range with resistance 1820 and I'll say 1813, 1812 support. Yesterday alerted about the potential, rotation back down towards the 1812, and market reached that downside objective. But then it found the support and reached the upside objective, and then sellers reached the downside objective. So literally, just trading around the support resistance. This today we can see also market try to trade again into this resistance cluster and fading again. You can see that in the 15-minute time frame, market totally lost the power, and again there is a chance for the test of the lower trading range at 1813, 1812. But overall, market will need to break this trading range in order to confirm further direction, further bigger movement, and outside of this trading range. If the market can clear 1812, market can open the door for, I will say, 1,800 mark. If the market can trade above and sustain above this 1820 mark, then it can open the door for much higher prices towards the 1856 or so. But for now, market is still trading in a very well-defined trading range. If we speak about the crude oil market actually cleared, let me just go. I'll show you here. You can even go to our time frame to show you this. So market traded in this very well defined and broke this very well defined resistance and sustained above. So it's actually just increased the chance. Also cleared this area and sustained above. And this is now opening the door for higher prices. We can see basically a cluster of the lows here. But this is area around 80 mark. I will say 80 mark is the next important level for the crude oil, for the market to reach that. But some important supply area, we can see that market is at this stage here, 82, 83 mark. So if we go in higher frames, like a daily frame, we can see that in the daily area, the very important cluster is around, I will say, 82 mark, 82 to 83 mark. So potential for the market to go towards first 80 and then potentially 82 or 83 mark. Very, very strong bull cycle on the crude oil, especially from last week. So watch for buying opportunities on intraday deeps or so. And going towards the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also trading a very well-defined trading range already for days. So we have a cluster of lows around, I will say, 16,750 mark is a key support cluster. And for the, we have plenty of resistance cluster around, I will say around 16,900 mark, 16,920 mark. Market is still in the middle of this, so I would like for the market to break this area. If market can clear the low, then this can open the door for some lower prices, maybe towards 16,300 or 400 mark. If we can clear the downside, the support and sustain below. If from the other side, market can clear the upside and sustain above, this can open the door for higher prices. And eventually even towards the 17,300 or even 70,500 mark. But for now, market is trading in this trading range and it's sideways, so watch potential breakout. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe and speak to you tomorrow morning.